Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Timpani, for those of you who don't know me. I upload beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. And today I'm sharing with you guys a super simple summertime makeup look. What's currently going on in my face right now. So if you guys are interested in seeing like how I achieve this look, make sure to stick around. Also, make sure to subscribe so that you can see more videos like this, because you know, I film videos like this all the time, guys. I upload Mondays and Thursdays, new videos. Mondays and Thursdays. Don't want to miss those. So subscribe. And you know, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Let's go ahead and jump in to the tutorial. Alright, so to start off, I'm going to just moisturize my lips. This is just a Nivea lip balm. For primer today, I'm going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip primer. If you guys have any other like primer recommendations, let me know. I really like this one. But you know, I'm always open for trying new things, so you know, let me know what's out there. So then next, I'm going to prime my lids using this Morphe concealer. This is almost gone. And then I just buff that out using a Morphe M173. For today's shadow, I'm going to be using the Alter Ego Goddess palette. I haven't done like any tutorials with this palette. It's an absolutely gorgeous palette, so I definitely want to do something with this, do like a full look with this. But today, I'm really just going to be keeping it simple. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Luna, which is this really pretty gold. And I'm just going to tap that onto my lid. And then next, I'm going to take a Morphe M504, which is just a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the shade right here, which is called Juno. And I'm just going to kind of dust that. I'm just in my crease area just to, you know, add a little bit of, you know, depth and dimension to the eye area. Next, I'm going to go in with my NARS Natural Radiant foundation. This is like my most natural wearing foundation. So perfect for, you know, a little light summertime look. Go onto that. Oh, and that's the shade Tahoe, for those of you wondering. And I want to keep this pretty light, but I do want a little more coverage on this side, so I'm just going to go in with one more pump to kind of just give a little bit more coverage on this side of my face. Next, I'm going to conceal my under eye area. This is again the Morphe concealer. This is the shade, this is the shade C3.25. And then to blend out the concealer, I'm going to be using a Ulta Beauty Beauty Sponge. And to set my under eye area, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Kunafa powder. And this is the only part of my face I am going to set today. It's just this under eye area. I'm not going to put powder on because I want to keep that kind of like the radiant finish of the NARS foundation, so I'm not going to set it with my powder. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish on my eyes. I'm going to be using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is a black liquid liner, just to draw like a simple line, nothing too crazy. For mascara, I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Alright, so I'm just going to comb these brows get them, you know, somewhat under control. And then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown and just a angled brush. This is the Morphe M165. And then I'm just setting that with my Essence Brow Gel, which I need to get a new one of because this is getting a little gross in here, so it's about time for a new one. For bronzer, I'm using the Cover FX bronzer in Suntan Bronze. And for those of you who don't know, there's like a matte side and a shimmer side, so I'm just gonna make sure that I go in with that shimmer side because I want it to be like kind of like a luminous, I guess. I don't know. For blush, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush in Strawberry Drip. So I'm just gonna take that on my fingers and just kind of like pat it on like so and kind of rub it out. I'm gonna put on some highlighter. This is the UOMA Beauty highlighter in Barbados, which is absolutely freaking gorgeous, guys. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on a Morphe M510. And then last but not least, for lips, I'm going to be using the MAC Powder Kiss Lipstick in Devoted to Chilli, which is just this really nice, like, diffused red. It's super pretty. Alright, so that is it for my super simple summertime makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below letting me know any videos that you would like to see in the future, whether that be like a makeup challenge or a certain kind of look you want me to do. Just let me know in a comment down below and I will get that filmed for you. Also, you know, make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed because I would love to see you guys in another video. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. Bye.